Running isn't just a physical activity, it's a commitment to better health, discipline, and self-discovery. Taking on the challenge of running daily for 30 days might sound ambitious, but the rewards are extraordinary. In this article, we'll explore the best way to approach this challenge, when and how to run, and why it's worth making running a part of your daily routine. Why run every day? Running daily goes beyond physical benefits. It's a transformative lifestyle habit that impacts your mental, emotional, and even social well-being. Here are the key reasons to start. Physical health improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles and joints, boosts stamina and endurance, aids in weight management, mental clarity, reduces stress through endorphin release, improves focus and concentration, helps with anxiety and depression, discipline and resilience, builds consistency and routine, boosts self-confidence through small victories, teaches you to push through challenges. How to run every day safely. To enjoy the benefits without overdoing it, follow these steps. 1. Start slow and steady. 1. Beginner tip. Start with short distances, 1-2 miles, or a time goal, 15-20 minutes. Focus on building the habit rather than speed or distance. Why? This prevents injury and keeps you motivated as you adjust to the new routine. 2. Set realistic goals. Define what you want to achieve. Is it weight loss? Stress relief? Improved stamina? Having a clear goal keeps you focused. Adjust your pace and distance as you grow stronger. 3. Choose the right time. Morning runs, perfect for boosting energy and starting your day positively. Evening runs, great for stress relief and reflection after a busy day. Tip: pick a time that fits your schedule and stick to it for consistency. 4. Warm up and cool down. Spend 5 minutes warming up with dynamic stretches or brisk walking. After your run, cool down with static stretches to reduce muscle soreness. Why? Proper preparation prevents injuries and aids recovery. 5. Listen to your body. Take note of how you feel. If you're fatigued or sore, reduce intensity or distance. Rest doesn't mean skipping entirely. Consider a light jog or walk. Sample running schedule. Here's a beginner-friendly guide to get you started on your 30-day running challenge. Week 1 to 1 mile or 15 minutes daily. Focus on finding your rhythm. Week 2, increase to 1.52 miles or 20-25 minutes. Maintain a steady pace. Week 3, push to 2.53 miles or 30 minutes. Experiment with adding intervals, short bursts of faster running. Week 4, maintain or gradually extend to 3-4 miles, focusing on form and breathing. Daily running tips: hydration and nutrition. Drink water before and after your run. Include carbs for energy and protein for recovery in your diet. Gear matters. 1. Invest in comfortable running shoes to avoid injuries. Wear breathable, weather-appropriate clothing. Track your progress. Use apps or journals to log distance, time, and how you feel after each run. Celebrate milestones to stay motivated. What you'll gain from 30 days of running: physical benefits. Weight loss and toning. Running burns calories and improves muscle tone, particularly in your legs and core. Better sleep. Regular running helps regulate your sleep cycle, ensuring deeper rest. Improved heart health. Boosts circulation and reduces the risk of heart disease. Mental and emotional benefits. Stress reduction. The release of endorphins, feel-good hormones, leaves you calmer and more balanced. Enhanced mood. Running daily can combat symptoms of depression and anxiety. Sharper focus. You'll notice better concentration in other areas of your life. Lifestyle transformation. Discipline. Sticking to a daily habit builds discipline and resilience. Confidence boost. Achieving a 30-day challenge is a major confidence booster. Better routine. Incorporating a healthy habit can inspire other positive changes, like better eating and sleeping patterns. Overcoming challenges. 1. Time constraints. Solution: fit in a 15-20 minute run during breaks or early mornings. 2. Lack of motivation. Solution: join a running group or invite a friend for accountability. 3. Physical discomfort. Solution: focus on recovery with proper stretching, hydration, and rest days. Real-life inspiration. One of the most remarkable transformations I've witnessed is from a friend who started running daily to combat obesity. Initially, even a few minutes felt like a struggle. But with persistence, he not only lost weight but also gained confidence and completed his first marathon. It wasn't just his body that transformed, it was his mindset. Conclusion: running every day for 30 days isn't just about fitness, it's about embracing a journey of self-improvement. Whether you're looking to lose weight, clear your mind, or develop a new routine, this challenge has something for everyone. Take the first step today. Lace up your shoes, commit to yourself, and see where this journey takes you. Share your experiences and progress in the comments. I'd love to hear how running transforms your life. Let's change our lives, one step at a time.